lead leg kick up, straight away, back leg, and through, that's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I like to coach and get my students, my athletes, how I get them doing axe kicks. Now axe kicks they're a difficult technique and they're not even in some martial arts systems, so they're not something that has a huge crossover between certain styles. I always tend to start off with the front kick or the teep. So one of the ways I like to do it, so I'm going to use Eve here as one of my my young gifted students, is I'm going to get the kick paddle at a downward angle at chest height. And all I'm going to get her to do now is just like a teep with the back leg of front kick. So teep, and again, and again. So you can see now she's chambering and she's throwing that kick in. Then I might get her to switch stance, and then repeat, same thing, chamber, kick and come back, chamber, kick and come back. So we can see now she's got a fairly strong chamber, she's got good coordination. Next thing that I'm going to get her to do is get used to the motion of the axe kick. So we're going to just do a typical axe kick, which is coming straight at our opponent, at our training partner. So she's going to bring her knee up and land it down. That's it. And one more time. That's it. So what makes this work now is her flexibility, her being relaxed. So just nice, relaxed, swing that leg, swing that knee up, and then land it forward. Just keep it bent for now. Just swing it up, keep it bent, and land it forward. That's it. So you can see she's got good mobility. Now the next stage of this is where do we generate the power from on the axe kick? So typically on the front kick, if we go back to the front kick, she chambers and she re-chambers. So it comes from the knee on the teep. There is some hip in it, but it's going to come more from the knee. On the axe kick, typically she's going to start the kick in the chamber, but she's going to straighten the leg for it to come down and through the target. So this time I'm just going to get her to keep her leg locked out straight. She's going to swing the leg up to just above waist height and then just put it down. So it's just a leg swing. Just leg swing Eve. Nice, that's it. And just a little bit higher leg swing and put it down. Good. So Eve's got pretty decent flexibility in her hamstrings. So now the second bit to this now is when she swings it up, she's going to keep it that high, but want to have a little drop with her hip. So she swings it up and she drops with the hip. So now what she's doing now is she's using her hip to pull the kick down faster. One more time, swing it up and drop it down faster. So now we've got that, I'm going to put it back on the kick paddle. So she chambers, she starts it like a teep, she gets it as high as it can, and she drops it forward, and you'll notice she lands a kick forward. Now, for now I'm going to get her to hit with the heel, but if it was sparring, I'd say bottom of the foot, sole of the foot. So, just nice relaxed movement, go. That's it, but chamber, come forward, and then go for it. Nice, that's it. And again. Good, looking good. So now I'm going to get to do 3 times a little bit sharper. So remember, we're trying to hit here. You land that and go through. 1. Nice. And again, 2. Looking good. 1 more, 3. Perfect. So the axe kick then, it's not an easy technique, and obviously we can do that with both legs. So with Eve now, one of the things that I like to do, obviously just put that in a short little combination drill. So if she just moves back a touch, I'm going to get her to fire a lead leg roundhouse kick, and I'll do it all head height because I'm testing the flexibility. So even though this combination might not be a combination that I use in sparring, it's a good skill-based combination to get her to use her kicks. So she steps up, lead leg roundhouse kick to the head. As she lands, back leg chases me and brings it through. Perfect. And again, lead leg kick up, straight away, back leg, and through. That's it. And again, one more time. Up, straight away, kicks. Nice. So the axe kick then, it's not going to be a kick that comes overnight if you're stiff and unflexible, but you can see how the technique's supposed to work. And what I would do is plenty of motion. So if I had an unflexible student, we'd maybe do more repetitions swinging the knee up and forward. That's it, just doing leg swings, just getting nice relaxed. And then we'd start off just low. So keep it low. I know he struggles to keep kicks low, just keep it low and bring it down. That's it. So again, we don't need to work full height, we tend to build up. Okay, hope you enjoyed this guys. If you want to see more tutorials, check out all the amazing coaches and videos of the Warrior Collective.